special greetings to your next member of parliament, Davion Vassel.
I want all labor rights that have faith in Davion Vassel to vote to show our labor rights.
Shout.
A good representative in Davion Vassel is my brethren from a long time, from the days of the University of the West Indies. And even before you get the big work, I can tell you that Davion Vassel has been lobbying for you, the people of East Central St. Andrew.
I think the people of this constituency are extremely fortunate. You're extremely fortunate because finally you have a candidate who has a great chance of victory. A candidate who we know cares about people.
Davion Vassel, he is young, bright, and talented, and is going to win the Central St. Andrew. When you look at Davion, you see somebody who never born with no gold spoon. You see somebody who come from humble beginnings. He never have no links. He never know nobody. He just work hard. And because he work hard, focus on his education. Look at Davion Vassel now.
We pledge our hearts to uphold our past.